In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable safe driving mode in Zoom. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, we all know how important it is to prioritize safety while you're on the road, and it's equally important to stay connected during meetings. With Zoom's safe driving mode, you can do just that. It allows you to participate in meetings even while driving, helping ensure that your focus stays on the road. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First things first, grab your mobile device and make sure you're ready to join a Zoom meeting. You can either create your own meeting or join one that someone else has set up. If you haven't already, just tap on the Zoom app, log in if needed, and find that meeting to join in. Once you're in the meeting window, the next step is to swipe right. This action is crucial because it activates safe driving mode. You'll notice that your device will automatically stop your microphone and mute your video for security reasons. This feature is designed to minimize distractions while keeping your focus on driving, which is exactly what you want, right? Now, if you ever feel the need to chime in during the meeting, there's an easy way to do that even though you're in safe driving mode. You can tap the Tap to Speak option on your screen. This will temporarily unmute your microphone, allowing you to share your thoughts or answer any questions. Just remember, once you finish speaking, you should tap the Done Speaking button to mute your microphone again. This helps maintain the professional environment of the meeting without unnecessary background noise interfering. After giving your input, if you want to re-engage with the meeting more extensively, you might find yourself wanting to exit the safe driving mode. That's quite simple too. All you have to do is swipe left and voila, you'll return to the regular meeting window. This way, you can continue participating like you weren't even driving. It's really important to remember that while Zoom makes it convenient to connect, it's crucial to keep your concentration on driving first and foremost. Avoid distraction at all costs. If you find that you're feeling overwhelmed by the meeting or the need for too much back and forth, consider pulling over safely before you engage more thoroughly. To quickly recap what we've just covered, start your meeting in the Zoom app on your mobile device. Swipe right to enable safe driving mode where your microphone and camera will be muted automatically. Use the Tap to Speak option to share your input when needed. And finally, when you're ready to exit that mode, just swipe left to return to the main meeting screen. That's it, a simple way to keep you connected and safe while on the road. Don't forget, if you'd like to stay updated with more helpful tutorials, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time,